Have you ever wondered how all of us can spark food innovation? At Impress, our industry-driven project, we are co-creating innovative food products from sustainable freshwater and marine ingredients through teamwork and collaboration. Imagine this: seaweed turned into vegan, fish-like spreads, and freshwater underutilized fish turned into delicious, ready-to-eat fish spreads. If you are curious to see and interested to participate in creating these products that are better for you and the environment, dive with us into the world of co-creations. First, we analyzed the latest scientific research and looked on the products on the market. What's working? What's missing? This helped us set the stage for our exciting new creations. Next, we turned to the final experts, consumers. We asked over 1,000 people what is important to them when choosing spreads and about their willingness to choose new innovative combinations of ingredients such as algae or fish. This gave us useful input to create spreads the market would crave. Now we are ready to co-create. Our workshops brought together consumers, scientists, industry experts, and policymakers to mix ideas, expertise, and creativity. It's all about creating innovative spreads that combine science, market needs, and consumer preferences using sustainable and healthy ingredients. How we did it? We started with fun ice-breaking activities like word association and personification, helping participants feel relaxed and engaged. Then we introduced them to the unique ingredients they would be using. All of this sparked creativity for the spreads we were about to co-create together. What makes a spread stand out on the market? First, we analyzed the commercial spreads. What works? What does not meet consumers' expectations? And what could be improved? For this, we used role-playing to step into the shoes of scientists, food technologists, producers, retailers, marketing experts, and consumers. How can we create spreads that are tastier, healthier, and more market-friendly? With these insights in hand, we were ready to create something truly unique. What happened when creativity met collaboration? We jumped into ideation, using techniques like Lego serious play to build new ideas for spreads. This hands-on approach helped us think outside the box and implement new thinking approaches. After ideation, it was time to get hands-on and real fun began. We rolled up our sleeves and started making spreads using traditional legumes, sustainable algae, and underutilized freshwater fish. These ingredients, which have nutritive potential and quality, were ready to transform the spread market, which continues to grow steadily. With every combination of ingredients, we brought something new to the table, crafting spreads that are as innovative as they are delicious. What spreads are the future food stars? Which ones have the most potential on the market? Our expert jury selected the best of the best. Now, these rising stars are in the hands of food technologists who will refine and perfect them to the next level of innovation and success. And so the innovation journey continues. From concept to creation, we brought together the power of collaboration, innovation, and sustainability. These spreads are not just products. They are the future of food. Would you give them a try? Maybe one of these spreads could become your next favorite. So, what makes co-creative workshops so special? Participants combine both different perspectives and ingredients, exploring exciting new combinations. Hands-on activities foster creativity, and boost ideas into promising food prototypes. Together, we turned underutilized resources into delicious food products. And in the end, or at the beginning, these are moments filled with smiles, creativity, and a relaxed atmosphere where everyone had fun, made new connections, and enjoyed their time together. By involving everyone in the process, we demonstrate that innovation truly thrives through collaboration, where every voice matters. Let's co-create and innovate together.